Welcome to the Busquivers channel.
In today's video, we will demonstrate how we use Playtronica's MIDI Playtron instrument to create music that is, well, a little bit juicier than usual.
As you can see, me and my orange-peeled family are all wired up to the Playtron MIDI board via crocodile clips.
The MIDI board is then connected to Ableton 11 via USB, meaning every time you touch one of us,
we can trigger any kind of sounds that you would like us to make.
you can use as like a loop station. Or even tap us like fruity little drum pads.
We can even work with the plugin software Ebo Suite to trigger video samples.
When I was in the jungle, When I was in the jungle, the thought of one thing kept me going. Jam roly-polies.
We'd love to teach you in person, so for more information and for bookings, contact hello@busquivers.com. That's hello@busquivers.com.
And a special thanks to Playtronica, as well as Ableton and Ebo Suite for such wonderfully designed and integrated audio-visual devices.
Much love.